Hi guys, welcome to Mac and iOS Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how to fix iMessage messages not showing on MacBook in macOS Sonoma. Let's start the video. To fix this issue, first click on Apple logo at the top right, then click System Settings. On the System Settings, tap Notifications. Now find and tap Messages. Here, toggle on Allow Notifications. After that, toggle on all these settings. After turning on all these settings, iMessage messages will start appearing on your Mac screen.